Hello and welcome. You're watching Business Today Television. I'm Tanya Neja and this is Market Today, a show where we'll get you all the latest market updates and stocks and sectors that are buzzing in and much more. And let's take a look at the markets at this point in time, and you can call it actually round two of selling. Deep cuts on Nifty and Sensex. The good news is that 65,000 level on Sensex is still intact. 65,155 is where we are at this point in time. 622 points cut there, and Nifty also below that 19,400 mark. 167 points cut there on Nifty as well. Now we saw Fitch downgrading US credit rating, and after that the market started falling, and we didn't get any support from the broader markets as well. But today it's a complete reversal. Mid cap and small cap supporting at least. Small cap trading on a flattish note, 11,604 level on that, and mid cap also 72 points higher as we speak. So good news is that broader markets, they continue to perform, especially in today's trading session. If we look at some of the gainers and losers from today's trading session, it was clearly a pharma day. Sun Pharma, Divi's Lab, but now we can see Adani stocks, they continue to be in focus, and especially after the big deal that happened with Sanghi Industries. Adani Enterprises ahead of its Q1 numbers, up 2% in today's trading session. 25.23 is the level where we are at. Adani Ports, one of Adani Group stocks, it also is supporting the market as we speak. 773 level where we are at this point in time. Eicher Motors, so some of the auto names, they continue to perform, though the stock was not performing in yesterday's trading session, but it is supporting the markets today. Divi's Lab, one of the other top gainers. Infosys, Sun Pharma. Sun Pharma reported its numbers very much in line. However, stock is trading on a flattish note as we speak. 1141, it was trading higher ahead of its numbers, but some profit booking taking place. NTPC clearly continues to be in focus. Grasim, Kotak Mahindra Bank, these are some of the other gainers for you from today's trading session. And on the flip side, let's see the top losers. So UPL, this stock is dragging the market. Titan on the back of Q1 numbers, Street definitely not liking. Experts also believe that it was operational miss. So 2900 level there on Titan, down around 2.5% in today's trading session. ICICI Bank, one of the major draggers in today's trading session, 2% downtick there as well. Bajaj Finserv, ONGC, Coal India, these are among the top losers as we speak. But now let's find out, that where are the markets headed going forward, and where are the pockets of opportunities. So let's welcome our guest on the show today. Kiran Jani from Jani Broking joins us. Thank you so much, Mr. Jani, for taking the time out and joining us here on Business Today Television. And let's start with the market outlook only. I think the market first hit a pause button, and yesterday, for the very first time after a gap of almost, I think, 4.5 months, it did show some signs of reversal. Today also bears are completely in action. So how do you see today's action so far, both on Nifty and Bank Nifty, and what are the levels now one should watch out for?
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. So, looking at the market at current juncture, the profit booking or whatever the downfall we are seeing, that fall or that move is overdue. We have seen a fantastic rally since couple of months, and we have decoupled from the global market also, and we have outperformed. Now, coming at current juncture, if we see the market since last 2 days, we are seeing a heavy selling, definitely. Level wise, if we see 19,500 was the good support. Today market opened near about 19,500. However, because of the weekly expiry and the amount of open interest has been built up by 19,500 call writer, market could not sustain over there, and we have seen the large number of amount of selling. Similar way, we have seen a good amount of short built up or a call writing at 45,000 and 44,500 level. Since then, Bank Nifty is also not able to sustain 44,500 level. The major cut down we are seeing on Bank Nifty because Bank Nifty is currently trading below its 50 DMA also, which is again a cautious sign. However, Bank Nifty has a very good support. Previously, we have seen during month of May Bank Nifty was facing a resistance at 44,400, 44,500. Now that's become a roles reversal as a support also. Simultaneously, we are seeing on the momentum indicator, some bullish divergence are plotting, yet we have to wait for the confirmation. So wait for some bottom fishing. Looking at next weekly expiry data, the PCR ratio in oversold zone, intraday charts are on oversold zone. So there are chances we will see a dead cat bounce. If you want to do any bottom fishing, let's wait for tomorrow's morning. If tomorrow market open, I mean, if we check again level wise, Bank Nifty opens above or sustain above 44,600, then after we can see certain sort of short covering or maybe relief rally towards 45,000. So conditional buy. If anyone wants to do bottom fishing, let market to cross 44,600, go long above 44,600 for the target of 45,000, and stop loss will be 44,300. Coming to the Nifty, Nifty has a very good support of 19,300 to 19,350. So for Nifty, let's wait. Nifty has already made a low of 19,300. Again, if we get any opportunity around 19,300 to 19,350, we would like to go long, and overall stop loss, positional stop loss below 19,200. So keep a positional stop loss at 19,200, and we can go long on Nifty. Similar way, Bank Nifty, but it is a conditional buy above 44,600.
Okay, absolutely. These are the levels that are coming in, and it's a wait and watch situation, I guess. But let's look at some, sectoral indices and their performance as well. Well, we are deep in the red, but it's a pharma day, Mr. Jani, if you see, and this index is in the green as we speak. It's up to the tune of 1%, and there are stocks like Laurus Labs and Lupin, Gland Pharma, Aurobindo Pharma. These are some of the stocks. They are up to the tune of 2 to 5% in today's trading session. We saw Sun Pharma also, then Dr. Reddy, Cipla, on the back of course, stellar Q1 earnings. What are your thoughts on this particular pharma space, and any stocks that you like, especially at these levels?
Yes, definitely. If you're looking at pharma sector, let me speak about the pharma index. First of all, the pharma index is trading about 15,000, a clear-cut flag and pole pattern breakout. Considering this pattern, you can see if you check the holistic chart or a larger time frame chart, there was a cluster resistance somewhere around 14,800 to 15,000. The index has crossed that particular resistance with remarkable volumes and big candles, green candles. But the momentum indicator is in overbought zone. So at current market price, if anyone wants to enter into the pharma, stay cautious. It would be a very high risky call at current market price. Already it's been running up. We have seen Sun Pharma, it could not sustain its morning rally and given up.
Yeah.
So be very selective on pharma sector. Stock specific, we would like Orbindo Pharma and Upin. Level wise, Orbindo is trading at 840. If you want to go long, you can go long on current market price, or any dip come some around, say for example 820, 830. We would like to go long. Overall stop loss is 800. And looking at current chart, this time there are very good chances we can cross 900 level. Similarly on Lupin, we are seeing same flag and pole pattern breakout. Stock is trading at 1035. Any dips towards 1000 would be the buy opportunity, and stop loss would be below 970. So Lupin and Oro Pharma still has a chance to give a very good upside.
Okay, Aurobindo Pharma and Lupin, these are the stocks coming in, so keep an eye on that. And also, if we focus on Q1 earnings only, Titan also reported the numbers, Mr. Jani, and Street clearly not liking the Q1 earnings. Experts also believe that, experts, however, believe that impressive track record of Titan outperforming its peers, and exceptional long term growth potential, it justifies the premium valuations. But what are your thoughts on this particular counter Titan? 2900 is the level where we are at this point in time, but is it the right time to invest in this particular stock?
So whatever the business update coming from the Titans, we know the our festival season, and we know the seasonality is very impactful for this current stock price. Previously, we have seen during like April, May month, there were we will never see any kind of a festival during those months. So of course, the sales number has to be down only. But now, after August month or during August month, we going to celebrate a lot of festivals. So probably next quarter would be the best quarter, or maybe it's a seasonality only. Now coming to the chart, the stock price has closing below or trading below its 20 days and 50 days moving average. However, stock price has a very good support of 100 days moving average, which is lies at 27,770. And you can also see the flat horizontal support line somewhere around 2700. So today the stock price is trading at 2900. If anyone wants to buy, wait for the dip. The chart pattern is on negative mode. The momentum indicator is also in bearish zone. So any rise is coming towards 19,000, 29,950. It would be the selling opportunity. I'm repeating, 2950 would be the selling opportunity. Stop loss about 3,000. Until and unless prices is closing about 3,000, the downfall will remain continue. And looking at current market price, we are expecting 2,700 as a target. So if anyone wants to buy, wait for the 2,700 target. And for short seller, you can wait for rise. 2,950 would be the selling zone, and stop loss would be 3,000.
Okay, absolutely. These are the levels coming in, and also Mr. Jani, cement pack, that is also in focus today on the back of Adani and Sanghi Industries mega deal. Adani stocks obviously continue to be in focus, and ACC Ambuja Cement, if we could pull up those stocks for you, they are in the green, trading 3% higher in today's trading session. But is there any stock that you like from the cement vertical?
So in cement sector, if we check, there are a number of stocks already being performed. But still, if anyone looking for the cement sector, I prefer Ambuja. Of course, there is a news behind this stock, but Ambuja Cement has given a breakout from a very big consolidation. So any dips towards 460, 465, or even current market price, we would go long on Ambuja Cement, keeping in mind a stop loss of 450. And looking at current market price, we can expect prices to touch above 500 level. Another stock which we like on from cement sector, that is JK Lakshmi Cement. The stock price is trading below is 200. It's a bit contra bad. But looking at daily chart, looking at weekly chart, it is trading at a very long term support somewhere around 600. It's made a double bottom pattern at 600, and now we can see the multiple bullish candlesticks pattern is also forming out on intraday chart. There is a rounding bottom pattern, and on momentum indicator there are multiple bullish divergence. So connecting all these dot, we would like to go long on JK Lakshmi Cement at 630, 35 level. Overall stop loss would be below 600. And looking at current market price, there are chances we can see 700 kind of a rally on JK Lakshmi Cement. On cement pack, Ambuja and JK Lakshmi would be the preferred choice.
Okay, absolutely. Ambuja and JK Lakshmi, keep an eye on that. And on that wonderful note, thank you so much, Mr. Jani, for sharing these wonderful ideas with us and being with us here on Business Today Television. So with that, it's time for me and my team to wrap up this edition of Market Today. But clearly, we have recovered, and we are now above 65,300 mark. 475 points downtick there. Experts have been saying it's a buy on dip market, but let's see how this pans out. At 19,400, we have reclaimed that mark too on Nifty. 122 points still downtick there. So with that, let's wrap up this episode. But don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms. So stay tuned for all the latest market updates, and then thanks for watching.